In social studies, the diagrams that you have to prepare, that is the important diagrams, first write them. Open page number 119. While we were doing the chapter, the United Nations organizations, there were few symbols which were given to you, like FAO, UNESCO. Their full forms you must have studied, read, learned, and their symbols. So write diagrams. You can write somewhere, either if you want to write in the book or you want to write in the copy. Open page number 119 and look at the diagram. UNESCO, the symbol of UNESCO and FAO. Page number 119, UNESCO and FAO. Very easy diagrams. You can easily make them. Yes? While doing the chapter, I think I gave you these diagrams to draw in your copies. If you have drawn, very good. If you have not drawn, then please kindly draw and practice for exams. So UNESCO symbol, FAO symbol, and the national flag. The third diagram is the national flag that you have to practice. Okay? So kindly practice. Kindly practice. All right? These diagrams, three diagrams: UNESCO, FAO, and national flag. Now come on to the last chapter. Do one correction there. Come on to the last chapter. Three diagrams practice. You have to do the UNESCO symbol, the FAO symbol, and the national flag. Now my voice is clear. Am I audible? Now, okay. Now come on to the last chapter. Exercises, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Point number 4. The highest court in the state is High Court. The highest court in the state is High Court. Correct that. If you have written Supreme Court. If you have written Supreme Court, rub it and write High Court. The highest court in the state is High Court. Supreme Court is the highest court in the country. Whole country. Yes, High Court is the state court. Highest state court. Highest state court is High Court. Okay. Write quickly. And today itself, kindly practice the diagrams without any failure. All three diagrams. And when you are going to make the diagrams in the exams, make sure you don't make very small diagrams and don't make very big diagrams also. There should be medium size, good, neat diagrams and colored also. Plus outlined with black sketch pen. Okay. You can color with crayon, you can color with pencil color, you can color with sketch pens, but do not use watercolor, first of all. Do not use watercolor in my subjects. Secondly, do the outlining of the diagrams. That is very important. Plus labeling. And when you label it, first do it with pencil and then do it with pen also. Because Sometimes pencil label, what you label with pencil, that is not visible clearly. When the printout is taken out, sometimes the pencil is not visible. That's why I say when you have to draw the line also, use blue color pencil to draw the line after every answer. And when you label anything, label with pen, black pen. Okay? Will you all remember this? And rest of the instructions are clear about exam, the same as you did for half yearly. You are going to use A4 size paper, name, class, section, roll number, page number on every page. Solve the paper, click the photographs, make the PDF, write your name on the PDF, send it to me personally, not in the group. Okay? Clear to everyone? Yes. What are you saying, Ritisha? Say properly. If those pages are left, then of course you can use empty pages. Empty pages, if they are left, you can use. Okay? Let's quickly today revise the exercises of United Nations. Exercises of United Nations we are going to revise today. Page number 126. Dash discovered the sea route to India and landed at Calicut. Dash discovered the sea route to India and landed in Calicut. Vasco da Gama. Yes. Vasco da Gama. Which chapter we are? We are revising United Nation. United Nation we are revising. So come on to the take the correct options. Page number 120. Page number 120. Which of the following is not an organ of the UN? WHO is not an organ. ICJ, General Assembly, and Security Council are all three members of or organs of United Nations. Which of the following is the official judicial organ of the UN? ICJ is the answer. ICJ. ICJ. Third, the Secretary General is the head of the Secretariat. The Secretary, yes. The Secretary General is the head of the Secretariat. Therefore, many social welfare agencies work through many social welfare agencies work through Economic and Social Council. Economic and Social Council. Only one exercise is there. Let's read the word bank. Let's read the word bank. What is secretariat? It can come as one mark question. Define secretariat. What are you going to write? You're going to write secretariat is an office that carries out the administrative work of the government or an organization. Then second, charter. Define charter. Charter is a written description of how an organization is to be formed and how it would function. Similarly, keep in mind also you have to. The United Nations was formed on 24th October 1945. Main objectives of the UN are to be maintain peace and develop friendly relations. Then the six main organs of the UN are General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and social council, trusteeship, secretary, secretariat, international court of justice. Yes. Then what is the next statement that you have to remember? Keep in mind. Who is the highest official of the secretariat? Okay, the next point. The Economic and Social Council has many agencies. Some of them are UNESCO, UNICEF, WHO, FAO, and ILO. Yes. Then the last point. India is one of the founder member of the UN. India is one of the founder member of the UN. Right? Clear? Yes. Any doubt? All right, now this is the revision of social studies exercises and word bank. Keep in mind we have revised today. Since the syllabus is over, we are going to continue with the revision in other classes also. So what is your today's work? Your today's work is you have to revise the math sums. Then you have to do proverbs exercises in English language. You remember? Then science you have to revise again that we have done revision about the simple machines. And fourth, this chapter you have to practice the diagrams. Alright? This much work is for today. Thank you.